Hello, I am Dr. Madhura Yadav, Dean at Faculty of Design at Manipal University, Jaipur. I welcome you all here at Faculty of Design in the pink city of Jaipur, which is known as World Heritage City. Design education is evolving. Design is everywhere and it is the integral part of our lives. So here at Faculty of Design, we offer various undergraduate programs in architecture, fine arts, interior design, fashion design, user experience and interactive design, and visual communication. We also offer master's programs in landscape, in urban planning, in fine arts and interior design. We also have Ph.D. programs in all these disciplines. So here I welcome you all for creating futures, and at Faculty of Design we have the experienced and dedicated faculty. We have various labs to demonstrate the on-site experiences, and construction yard is our unique facility where we can demonstrate how to construct. In fashion design we have garment construction lab where we can teach the students how actually construct the garments as per the patterns. In fine arts also we are having drawing studio. In interior design we are having furniture lab. So we are having state-of-the-art facilities here, and every year our alumni goes for the higher study in US, UK and Europe. They are also getting full scholarship to study abroad. We are doing international collaborations also for these kind of programs, and our alumni are placed in renowned design firms and design industries also. Here I think Jaipur is the World Heritage City, which can teach you about the craft, about the textile, and it is the first planned city of India where you can learn many things from the design perspective, and it can act as a extended classroom. So what better place than Jaipur to start your design journey? So once again, I welcome you all budding designers, where we are crafting the futures and shaping tomorrow's better world. Thank you.